All right, the last one. Last time we were dealing with that octagon. Today we're going to go ahead and deal with the pentagon. I was super generous, and I decided to go ahead and add this picture in there for you guys so you don't have to go and draw it out. Okay. It says a regular pentagon is inscribed in a circle of radius 7, and it's asking us to go and find the perimeter of the pentagon. So a regular pentagon has 5 sides, right? And they are all equilateral. And then also, that means that it's equiangular. Okay. So I'm actually going to go ahead and make the middle, the center of my circle. And I'm going to go ahead and drag these perpendiculars to that center point, creating me 5 pizza slices. Okay, again, all these sides are the same exact length, and then all these angles are the same exact length. Okay, now we have a radius of 7, so these sides are 7. Our angle measurements, right, we know that a circle has 360, so then divided by the 5. Angle measurements gives me a 72. So here's 72. So let's go ahead and zoom in to this triangle right here. I'm going to go ahead and actually redraw it for us. So again, here are my radii of 7. Here's my angle measurement of 72 degrees. And then we know that we have an unknown value. Let's call it x. So it's asking us to find the perimeter. My first job is to find x, and then I would go ahead and multiply it by 5 to get all those 5 sides included to find that total perimeter. Okay, so same exact process. I'm going to go and set up my equation. Trying to find x, so I'm going to start with x. X squared, I'm going to equal it to the sum of the squares of the other side. So I get 7 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 7 times 7 times cosine of my included angle of 72 degrees. Okay, I'm actually going to go ahead and plug this guy right into my calculator. So let's go ahead and pull that guy out. I'm going to type in 7 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 7 times 7 times cosine of 72. And that gives me a value of, let's say, x squared is equal to 67.7. Okay, I say ... because I want to make sure that I'm not dealing with any rounding errors. So I know I have to take the square root of both sides. I'm literally going to go ahead and do second squared to get that radical, and I'm just going to literally go ahead and copy down my answer from above. You guys just you press second answer to get that value locked in, and then I'm going to go and press equal. So again, an x value of 8, and let's go ahead and round to the nearest hundredths place, so 2 places after my decimal, 8.23. Okay, now we found x. This is that value right here. Here's 8.23. However, there's 5 sides of the pentagon. So my last step is to go ahead and multiply. So this was step 1. Step 2 is go ahead and multiply 8.23 times 5. So again, I'm literally just going to go and take this, copy and paste it. And that gives me 41.14. Nice. And what is my... okay, there's no unit, so I'm going to say 41.14 units. And this would be your answer. Okay, easy peasy enough.